Don't be a slob, don't get a job, go back to class, you can pass. And to start the day off nice and fine, I'm gonna play a new old favorite of mine.
Did you read the story of Jesse James? About how he lived, how he died. You liked him, huh? You also would listen to the story of Bonnie and Clyde.
Okay, so Clyde had a girlfriend. She's so beautiful, and her name
Bonnie.
Together they're the Barrow Gang. Their names
Bonnie Parker
and Clyde Barrow.
Bonnie and Clyde. Bonnie